Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And today in this video, I have another Master Star Piece line, the Super Master Star Piece Son Goku, but this time I have the original color, so not the manga. And so I previously unboxed the manga Dimensions Goku on my channel, so feel free to check that out. Right, recommend you guys go check that out. Really great figure. But I've been waiting for this to come in, and it finally came in, so I'm happy to unbox it for you guys. So without further ado, I'll go to showcasing the box and then unboxing the figure and giving my review. And there we are, guys. Super Master Star Piece, the Son Goku. Looks just as great as the manga dimension, just the original Goku, simple style, and it's just great. If you guys don't know, this is from the finale of GT when he was with Oob. I believe that's how you say his name. And it was just a great ending. I like this gi, really different from his original orange gi we always see. Just really nice with the staff. And before we get to showcasing the full insight all the way close up, I'll show you guys the scale of the manga dimension and the differences between the two. So here we have the manga dimension. So let's get it side by side. You can see the manga dimension has a more darker tone. And when I unboxed the manga dimension, I actually wondered if the staff was different, and the staff is indeed different. The detail they put into it is really amazing, because if you guys don't know, the Master Star Piece, the Son Goku of Super Saiyan 4, the original, the tail is not manganized, or it is not in a different color as it should be for the manga dimension. And that really let me down when I got it. And that's what I thought was gonna happen with this Goku, but that seems to not be the case. Also, you can see from the back as well, even I believe it's the bamboo, or the thing to keep his staff in, is also a different color, a different shade. It's mangamized as well. You can see from the back the shading, the different colors, the more tan, greenish, light greenish. So that's really interesting to see. And here we are. And the hair color is still the same, I think. That's how I see it. The hair color is still the same. Did not change the hair color whatsoever. And so that was kind of leveled down as well. Here we are, the different shades. Even the shoes are a different shade. I'll show you guys the shoes. From the right side, the shoes are a different shade as well. Just the details they put, the small details they put into the manga dimension is just amazing. And it goes to show how far they go for the figures. Just really, really great. I recommend you guys get both of these. There's really great figures overall. Oh my god, and I just realized, look at this. The way it's tied. This is tied. The way it's knotted. The way it's looking. The string is going horizontal. This one is going more of a vertical. So that's really interesting to see, actually. That is really, really cool. And the Goku in the original, his underneath his eyelid, you can see it's more dark. We're gonna see how dark that is, and then look at the original. I'll show you guys a quick close-up of both of them, so I can tell you guys, I can show you guys what I mean. These are different colors as well. These are both different colors. So what I mean is, this right here, compared to this, it's way darker. Just a great figure overall. Really, really great. I like how they did the staff. How the staff is original in this one, and the other manga one, it's a different color, different shade. Just really, really great. I'm gonna show you this one as well. Just a quick glimpse of them. Pretty cool. There goes that. There goes this one. Gotta be careful not to hit the staff on each other. And there we are, guys. Super Master Star Piece, the Son Goku. Let me get this one out of the way. And so just a great figure overall. Really amazed by the way it came out. Really love the size, the height, the weight. Really, really good. The height is about a foot tall, so it's 12 inches tall, and so that is really amazing. I believe all the Super Master Star Piece are like that, at least the bigger ones, like the Super Saiyan 4 Goku, Super Saiyan. Yeah, guys, nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing this Super Master Star Piece, the Son Goku. Really enjoyed unboxing for you guys. Finally got both of them, the manga dimension and the original. I believe there's also one more, if I'm not mistaken. And so, yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I have more unboxing videos for you guys to come out soon. And then, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.